Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar, and today we would like to take a look at the new Apeman C860. The C860 is by no means a new release by Apeman, and we actually did a review on it last year. However, since then, Apeman has made some vast improvements to the visuals itself, and has also made some improvements to the dashcam performance. So let's take a look at what they are. The front camera is capable of capturing at 2K QHD, while the rear camera is at 1080p Full HD. This is very similar to the Thinkware Q800 Pro. It also comes with the Sony Starvis night vision image sensors for high quality recording at night or low light situations. So what are the differences between the two versions? The first difference is the field of view. While the previous C860 offered a 150-degree wide-angle view, the new C860 offers a 170-degree wide-angle view from both the front and the rear camera, giving you a wider view of the road ahead and behind and eliminating blind spots. The second difference is the LCD screen on the front unit. The previous version came with a 2.7-inch screen. This new version comes with a 3.0-inch LCD widescreen. The same 4 user-friendly buttons on the right side makes the dashcam operation super easy, and both screens give you picture-in-picture real-time footage playback. And if you prefer to view the video files on your laptop or computer, you can quickly transfer the footage thanks to the built-in 2.0 USB port. Lastly, the third difference is ability to use H.265 compression format decoding. With this compression technology, your footage file will take less space on your SD card. The Apeman C860 supports a Class 10 128 gigs max micro SD card. Note that the C860 also does not come with a stock micro SD card, so you will need to pick one up at checkout. You can find a wide selection of micro SD cards on our website, from 32 gigs up to 128 gigs that you can use with the C860. So let's talk about the improved performance of the Apeman C860. The C860 is equipped with loop recording, motion detection, impact detection, parking monitoring, and emergency accident lock. When the camera is fully charged, it can support up to 15 minutes of parking recording. It also supports hardwiring if you need a longer parking mode coverage. If parking monitoring is not your primary concern, then the Apeman C860 is a well-priced dashcam that has the main features you need to record the roads ahead and behind. But if you need comprehensive parking mode recording, then we strongly recommend you consider a Thinkware or a Blackview dashcam, as these brands offer a more advanced parking mode feature. The improved C860 is now available at BlackboxMyCar. We will have more sample footage for you in the coming weeks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our product experts at BlackboxMyCar today or leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks.